I am Mother Nature. Every species is my child, and I love all my children. Sadly, this year, many species needed to reclaim their spaces. Humans are dearest of all my creations, as I have made them the most intelligent of all the species. But they have lost their way. Human activity has surpassed all boundaries. So I had to put environment under renovation and humans under lockdown.
But Mother Nature, we need to make a living. We need to fulfill our needs.
What are your needs?
According to Maslow, we have 5 levels of needs.
Do you think I have not been able to fulfill your needs?
Yes, but we need a lot more for a living.
How much more?
That I cannot define, as we all have different needs.
Let me put this simply for you. You start from a home, go to school, college for education, then make careers in form of jobs and businesses. Your extracurricular activity could be travel, sports, music, etc., right?
Yes, Mother Nature.
You have different dimensions of living. That could be self, people, career, knowledge, and recreation.
Yes, Mother Nature. We are progressing in all the areas. In fact, we are working hard on saving forests, wildlife, reducing pollution, etc. But still, we are facing extinction. Why?
Your perspective needs to change.
But what is wrong with our perspective?
The sole focus of living cannot be economics. Living is much more than that. Each one of you start your journey from a home. Is home important?
Yes, it is important. It is the foundation of our existence. Families are nurtured here.
Then, why did you put it in unproductive category?
But we need to be productive.
Living cannot be productive all the time. What if I tell tigers that hunting is their productivity check? Then what will happen?
I guess dead animals would be lying around everywhere.
You have made economics as the whole sole aim of living. Every animal has home as their center of universe. But you humans have unanimously declared it as unproductive, meaning waste of time. Then why would anybody take it seriously? It takes a lot of effort to build a family, which makes a home.
But in the practical world, it has no relevance. How can we take it as productive?
You think at home there is no learning, no leadership, no skill building?
We do not understand the varied dimensions and connections.
I will help you define the connections. For now, think about what I have said.